What are you doing?
If I can pull up the anchor, maybe we can get to shore.
Well, let's wait. What if they're swimming back right now? We cannot
Audrey,
leave them.
Look,
Can't
nobody's
leave
out
them.
there. Look, they're not coming back. We have to do something. Okay, maybe if you had a knife, we could cut the rope. Okay, what about the flares?
It's finished. Flare gun. We used them last time, and I doubt Tom replaced it.
What do you mean you used it? You used it for what?
Jody and Keith were out in the bay in their boat and shot up the flare gun so that they could spot us easier. It's chilly. That picture in your wallet, that's your girl?
Yeah, her name's Max.
Wherever you're running to, darling, you're gonna need more than a car to get there.
Excuse me?
I just call it like I see it. Did you know that no matter how much you feed a cat, feeding that cat will not suppress his instinct to hunt and kill? Animals just can't help who they are. There's all these rats behind the walls, squealing. You know? They become toys. Living, breathing toys. So, does she go in for the kill? Does she let her get away? I'm really sorry I slept so late. Did I miss another court day?
Girl, listen. I'm sure you did. But that's not why we're here. You were young and pretty before. Now you look like you drank a whole keg of beer.
Don't make rude sport of my rise and fall. I'm not a bad sort. Not at all, y'all.
Do you truly wish to understand why we've come here unannounced and unplanned?
Yes, I guess.
Okay, you're dead.
Brittany swoons. Everything around her dissolves. She begins to sing with the voice of an angel.
Once I was sort of a modern Cinderella, and then I beat the crap out of a car with an umbrella. Goodbye, Sean Preston. Goodbye, Jade and James. Hey, not bad. I remembered their names. I'm laying down flat on the floor of the room so you can convey me to my timeless tune.